How to use MSR605X magnetic stripe card reader. Connect your MSR605X magnetic strip card reader to your computer using the USB cable provided. Power on your device either through the USB connection or use the external power adapter if needed. Install the MSR605X software from the included CD or download the latest version from the official source. Open the installed software and allow any necessary permissions to run it. To read a card, firmly hold the magnetic stripe card and swipe it smoothly through the slot on the MSR605X, making sure the stripe is facing down and to the left. Click the read button on the software to display the card's data on your screen. To write data to a card, input the desired information to the software's fields using the correct format. Swipe a blank magnetic stripe card through the reader smoothly and press the right button in the software to encode the card. Check the LED indicators solid green or a beep sound usually means the operation was successful. Red or multiple beeps may indicate an error. Regularly clean the magnetic head using the supplied cleaning card to maintain reading and writing accuracy. Subscribe.